Now we are going to study about the allotropes of carbon. Carbon exists in many allotrophic forms. Graphite and diamond are the most common allotropes. Other important allotropes are graphene, fullerenes, and carbon nanotubes. First one, graphite. Graphite is the most stable allotrophic form of carbon at normal temperature and pressure. It is soft and conducts electricity. It is composed of flat two-dimensional sheets of carbon atoms. Each sheet is a hexagonal net of sp2 hybridized carbon atoms with a CC bond length, carbon-carbon bond length of 1.41 Armstrong, which is close to the carbon-carbon bond distance in benzene, that is 1.40 Armstrong. Each carbon atom forms 3 sigma bonds with 3 neighboring carbon atoms using 3 of its valence electrons, and the 4th electron present in the unhybridized p orbital forms a pi bond. These pi electrons are delocalized over the entire sheet, which is responsible for its electrical conductivity. The successive carbon sheets are held together by weak van der Waals forces. The distance between the successive sheet is 3.40 Armstrong. It is used as a lubricant either on its own or as a graphited oil. This is the structure. Figure 2.4 is the structure of graphite. There are 5 layer structures were shown here. The distance for neighboring carbon atom is 142 picometer. The distance between each successive layers are 335 picometer. Then second allotrophic form, diamond. Unlike graphite, the other allotrope, diamond, is very hard. The carbon atoms in diamond are sp3 hybridized and bonded to 4 neighboring carbon atoms by sigma bonds with a carbon-carbon bond length of 1.54 Armstrong. This results in a tetrahedral arrangement around each carbon atom that extends to the entire lattice as shown in figure 2.5. Since all 4 valence electrons of carbon are involved in bonding, there is no free electrons for conductivity. Being the hardest element, it is used for sharpening hard tools, cutting classes, making bores, and rock drilling. Figure 2.4, structure of diamond. Each carbon atom is octahedrally surrounded by other 4 carbon atoms. The world's hardest material is diamond. The third allotrophic form is fullerenes. Fullerenes are newly synthesized allotropes of carbon. Unlike graphite and diamond, these allotropes are discrete molecules such as C32, C50, C60, C70, C76, etc. These molecules have gauge-like structures as shown in figure 2.6. The carbon 60, that is C60 molecule, have a saucer ball like structure and is called Buckminster fullerene or buckyballs. It has a fused ring structure, consists of 20 6-membered rings and 12 5-membered rings. Each carbon atom is sp2 hybridized and forms 3 sigma bonds. and a delocalized bond giving aromatic character to these molecules. The carbon-carbon bond distance is 1.44 Armstrong and C double bond C distance 1.38 Armstrong. The fourth allotropic form is carbon nanotubes. Carbon nanotubes, another recently discovered allotropes, have graphite-like tubes with fullerene ends. Along the axis, these nanotubes are stronger than steel and conduct electricity. These have many applications in nanoscale electronics, catalysis, polymers and medicine. Figure 2.7 shows the structure of carbon nanotube. The fifth allotropic form, that is graphene. The another allotropic form of carbon is graphene. It has a single planar sheet of sp2 hybridized carbon atoms that are densely packed in a honeycomb crystal lattice. Figure 2.8 shows the structure of graphene. We have learned about the allotropes of carbons. What are they? First one is graphite. Second one is diamond. The third one is fullerenes. The fourth one is carbon nanotubes. The last one, that is fifth one, is graphene. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.